Hello student, good morning. Today we will study Honeydew's second chapter, the tsunami. You can see in the picture there are many images of the tsunami. These are the pictures of the tsunami. It was occurred in 2004, 26 December 2004. This tsunami occurred in Japan, in India also, Sri Lanka, Indonesia. Many countries had faced these natural calamities. In this lesson, some of the stories are there which tells us what they felt at that time, how they suffered, and how they survived themselves from the natural disaster. In this lesson, 2-3 stories are there which tells us that what should we do when the tsunami occur. So whenever we face such kind of natural disaster, that idea help us how to survive ourselves from the natural disaster. A tsunami is very large and powerful wave caused by earthquake under the sea, and generally it occur after the earthquake. एंड जनरली अर्थक्वेक अंडर द सी, उसका जो मेन पॉइंट होता है वो सी में होता है, तो सुनामी मोस्टली आती ही है. ऑन 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and parts of India, such as Andaman Nicobar Islands and the Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories of courage and survival. Here the word survival means exit, जिंदा रहना. Did animals sense that the tsunami was coming? Some stories suggest that they did. In this lesson, some stories suggested us that the animals has their sixth sense strong and they knew before the tsunami occurred, and they escaped from the area and they saved their lives. These stories are all from Andaman and Nicobar Archipelago. Archipelago are the Indian islands. Where they are Andaman and Nicobar. It means a group of many islands and the surrounding the sea. Here are some images for you. These are the islands which are in Andaman and Nicobar, group of islands. Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Kachal. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. So here there is a story of Ignatius and his wife woke him up at the 6 o'clock in the morning because she felt the earthquake, and that is why she woke him up. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. So first of all, what did he do? He put his television on the ground so it may not be fell or it may not be broken. Then the family rushed out of the house as the earthquake was there, so they came out. When the tremor stopped, tremor means earthquakes shock, earthquakes jerk. When the tremor stopped, they saw the sea rising. They saw that as the earthquake stopped, the sea is rising. And the chaos and confusion. Chaos means यहाँ से वहाँ भागना और पूरा अस्त व्यस्त हो जाना. So in the chaos and confusion, two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother. Some people were there with Ignatius. कौन था? तो mother's father means Nana and mother's brother Mama, and rushed in the opposite direction. They rushed in the opposite direction because at that time they found that the sea is rising. He never saw them again. वो कभी उसको दिखे नहीं, मतलब कि वो पानी में बह गए. They washed in the water. So Ignatius' two children, mother's father and mother's brother, all washed in the water. They never returned. कभी वापस आए नहीं. His wife was also swept away. Ignatius की वाइफ भी पानी में बह गई. Only 3 other children who came with him were saved. और उसके साथ जो 3 बच्चे थे वो उसके साथ आए थे वो बच गए. Sanjeev was a policeman. Now there is another story. Serving in the Kachal Island of the Nicobar group of islands, he somehow managed to save himself, his wife, and his baby daughter from the waves. He could manage to save himself, his wife, and baby. But then he heard cries for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. But he heard that someone was calling for the help, and that lady was his cook's wife. Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her, but they were both swept away. And here Sanjeev jumped into the water to save that lady's life, but they both swept away. दोनों बह गए. 13-year-old Meghna was, now there is another story. 13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. 77 people were washed away, and among them Meghna was. She spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on to a wooden door. But she was lucky. She got the help of wooden door. So fortunately she got the help of that wooden door, and she was floating on the sea for 2 days. 11 times she saw relief helicopters overhead, but they did not see her. And Meghna is saying that for the 11 times the rescue helicopters flew over her head, but the helicopters people did not see her. She was brought to the shore by a wave and was found walking in the seashore in a daze. Later that she was washed away to the shore by the waves. वेव ने उसको वॉश करके सी शोर पर लाकर खड़ा. She was on the seashore with the help of the waves. Almaz Javed was 10-year-old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair, where her father had a petrol pump. Now there is another story of Almaz. Her father had a petrol pump and she was studying in Carmel Convent in Port Blair. Her mother Rahila's home was in Nancowry Island. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas, and they went the island which is Nancowry. They went there to celebrate the Christmas. When the tremors came early in the morning, the family was sleeping because it had occurred in the early morning, and during that time the family was sleeping. Alma's father saw the sea water recede. Recede means आगे बढ़ता हुआ उसने देखा. He understood that the water would come rushing back with great force. He woke everyone up and tried to rush them to the safer place. So his father waked them all and they rush मतलब दौड़कर they went to the safer place. As they run, जैसे वो दौड़ रहे थे, her grandfather was hit on the head by something and fell down. During this time, when they were running, his grandfather hit with something and fell down. Her father rushed to help him. Then came the first grand wave that swept both of them, and suddenly great wave came and Alma's father and grandfather both swept away. दोनों पानी में बह गए. Alma's mother and aunt stood clinging. Clinging means चिपक कर वो लीव्स के कोकोनट था वहाँ पर उसको पकड़ कर रहते हैं. Alma's mother and aunt stood clinging to the leaves of coconut trees, calling out to her. A wave uprooted the tree, and they too were washed away. And here, that tree also uprooted. वो पेड़ भी उखड़ कर निकल जाता है. Alma saw a long wood floating. She climbed on to it. And here, in the same manner of Meghna could could get the help of wooden door, and here Alma also get the help of the wooden, and she also climbed on, उस पर वो चढ़ जाती है, बड़ा सा लकड़ी होता है, वुड होता है, उस पर वो चढ़ जाती है. एंड व्हेन शी वोक अप शी वॉज इन हॉस्पिटल इन कमोर्टा where she was brought to Port Blair, and finally she brought to Port Blair. Her father, her grandfather, her mother, her aunt all swept away. Fortunately she could get the help of wood, and that is why she was saved. वो बच जाती है. And later it was brought to Port Blair. फिर उसको पोर्ट ब्लेयर लाया जाता है. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. She is still traumatized. Traumatized means greatly shocked. उसको गहरा सदमा लगता है और वो किसी के साथ बात करना भी नहीं चाहती regarding this incident what had happened with her and with her family. So here before second part is started, there is a comprehension check. True and false are there, so you have to do this exercise by yourself. You just write T and F in your textbook only, no need to write in the class workbook or in homework book. Now let's see the other stories. First of all, we had studied Ignatius, then there is a story of Meghna, then there is a story of Alma Javed, there is a story of Sanjeev. 4 stories we have seen just now. Okay, now there is another story, Tilly Smith. अब किसकी स्टोरी है? Tilly Smith, a British school girl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket beach in Thailand. Now we have to go to Thailand. पहले हमने इंडिया की स्टोरी देखी, अब है थाईलैंड की. Tilly Smith went there to celebrate the Christmas there with her family. Though she was won a number of awards, her parents have not allowed their daughter to be interviewed on television and made into a heroine. Why do you think they took that decision? This is a girl, and she saved many other people's life during the tsunami, and she got many awards for that. But her parents does not allow to take her interview. They do not want that her daughter become famous in the world. But how they took that decision? उसने वो क्यों लिया, कैसे लिया? तो पहले उसकी स्टोरी सुनते हैं कि क्या हुआ था, what had happened on that day, and how she could manage to save the life of her family and the other people. Now here is a story from Thailand. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at the beach resort in southern Thailand. They went there to celebrate the Christmas there. Tilly Smith was 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7-year-old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. This is about Tilly Smith. She had a sister who is 7-year-old. Her father Penny and her mother Colin Smith. So these 4 people went to Thailand to celebrate the Christmas there. It was 26 December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered by the massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. सबको पता है कि उस दिन सुबह अर्ली मॉर्निंग को earthquake आया था. And here the word triggered means caused, reason. मैसिव अर्थक्वेक जो आया था कहाँ पर था, उसका जो पॉइंट है वो था नॉर्थन सुमात्रा में, विच इज सी. द वाटर वॉज स्वेलिंग मीन्स उठता हुआ, एंड केप्ट कमिंग इन. Penny Smith remembered the beach was getting smaller and smaller. I didn't know what was happening. So Tilly is telling that during that time the sea was getting smaller. पहले पानी अचानक से अंदर जाता है. So the sea is getting smaller and smaller. तो पहले थोड़ा कम होता गया. So here Tilly was there on the beach. तो उसको लगा कि पता ही नहीं चला कि ये कैसे हो रहा था. What was happening there? But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. Her mind kept going back to a geography lesson she had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. But before 2 weeks, her teacher taught her geography lessons in which it is taught that how the earthquake and what happened after the earthquake. How the earthquake happened and what happened after the earthquake. So this lesson was taught in England before 2 weeks. Tilly saw the sea was slowly rise and started to foam. फोम मीन्स जाग उठना, उसमें बबल बन रहे थे. एंड फोम वर्लपुल, उसमें वर्लपुल मीन्स पूरा गोल गोल घूम रहा था और फोम कर रहा था, बबलिंग कर रहा था. सो she remembered that she had seen this in the class in a video of a tsunami that had hit the Hawaii island in 1946. So while teaching the tsunami, the teacher had shown her in the class the videos of Hawaii Island in 1946 में जो अर्थक्वेक आया था और उसके बाद सुनामी आई थी उसका वीडियो था. So she remember her geography teacher had shown her class the video and told them that tsunami can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes and landslides. So she was taught how the tsunami occur. This occur after the earthquake or when the volcanoes occur and when the landslides occur. Tilly started to scream, shouted at her family to get off the beach. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. She got more and more hysterical, said her mother, Penny. I didn't know what a tsunami was, but she and my daughter so frightened I thought something serious must be going on. Tilly's mother said that she did not know anything about the whatever had happened, but she thought that something was happening wrong. Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from beach to the swimming pool at the hotel. A number of other tourists also left the beach with them. Then, as if the entire sea had come out after them, I was screaming, run! And here, as Tilly's parents left the beach, other tourists also left the beach. And here, Tilly was screaming, run, bhago yahan se. The family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. The building withstood the surge of three tsunami waves. If they had stayed on beach, they would not have been alive. And here, the hotel faced 3 hits of the waves, and the waves were so strong, but finally they had been safe because of their intelligence and wit. The Smiths later met other tourists who had lost entire families. Thanks to Tilly and her geography lessons that they had been forewarned. Tilly went back to her school in England and told her classmate her terrifying tale. Tale means story. So here other tourists also thanked Tilly and geography lesson teacher also because of them she got the idea that the earthquake had occurred and tsunami had occurred. And in this way Tilly saved her family's member and also saved many others' lives. Comprehension check 1. Answer the following in a phrase or sentences. You have to write this in your homework book. The first question is, why did Tilly's family come to Thailand? The Tilly's family come to Thailand to celebrate the Christmas. What were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? So the sea was rising and bubbling and whirlpool, वो वाला यहाँ पर आंसर आएगा. Do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? No, because Tilly's mother did not know anything about it, but she saw that her daughter was behaving in a strange manner, and that is why she followed and persuaded her daughter. Where had Tilly seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashions? Where did Tilly seen? कहाँ पर देखा था? Tilly had seen this in the video that her teacher had shown her in the classroom. Fifth one, where did the Smith family and the other on the beach go to escape from the tsunami? तो वो कहाँ जाते हैं बचने के लिए? They escaped to the third floor of the hotel. How do you think her geography teacher felt when he heard about what Tilly had done in Phuket? So might, how do you think? ये आप क्या सोच रहे हैं कि उसकी टीचर ने क्या फील किया होगा? She probably become happy when she thought that, and when she finds that because of her class Tilly can manage to save many other people and their lives. Now part 3. Look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog and try to describe the things that you see using just words and phrases. Either the teacher or one of the student can write down the words and phrases on the blackboard. This is activity. As this is lockdown, so it is not possible to do the activities, but you can do it at home. This is how you can start. Calm, blue sea, ruined huts. You can see in the picture there is a boy with his dog, and this picture is taken after the सुनामी के बाद लिया गया है. तो देखिए इस पिक्चर में सब कुछ मेस जैसा दिखता है, यहाँ वहाँ चीज़ें दिख रही है, एंड देर इज़ नथिंग फाइंड इन द picture. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. They fled to safety. And here, in some incident, some animal fled to safety. Animals जो है वहाँ पर fled means ran away, भाग जाते हैं safe place पर. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned means left, छोड़ देना. Abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. And here, the elephants went to the higher ground. Flamingos left the breeding areas. Dog refused to go outdoors. And here, the animals were in the zoo were in panic. They were moving and pacing here and there. They were moving and pacing to and forth, but they were helpless. They cannot go in the safe place because they were encaged. Many people believed that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. Here many people believe that animals' sixth sense is very strong, and they can know before what will happen. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth vibrations. Some people also, or experts, believe that whatever the hearing power of animals is far more stronger than human being. ह्यूमन बींग से बहुत अच्छी होती है, सो दे कैन हियर और फील द अर्थ वाइब्रेशन. अर्थ का वाइब्रेशन बहुत अच्छी तरह से वो फील कर पाते हैं. दे कैन सेंस एन अप्रोचिंग डिजास्टर लॉन्ग बिफोर ह्यूमन रियलाइज what is going on. Human being can know when the incident occur, but animals know before the incident occur. यानी कि उसको पता चल जाता है कि क्या इंसिडेंट होने वाला है, बट ह्यूमन बीइंग को कब पता चलता है? when the incident have occurred. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not, but the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Oceans killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. And this report gives us proof. Here narrator is saying that कि हमको पता नहीं है कि उसकी sixth sense strong है कि नहीं है, but the report is saying that 150,000 people were died in dozens of countries, but not many animals were found reported dead. Along India's Kadalur coast, where thousands of people perished means died. Buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. People were died, but not the animal. They unharmed. Unharmed means उसको कोई ईजा भी नहीं पहुंची. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals including elephants, leopards and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from Patangala beach inside the park, but no animal carcasses were found except for 2 water buffaloes. So here many peoples, 60 peoples were died. They washed away, but no animals found or no animal carcasses were found. Carcasses means dead body of animals. So this is saying that the sixth sense of animal is stronger than human being. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from the Patangala beach. कुछ लोगों ने ये भी ऑब्जर्व किया था कि सुनामी से पहले आने से पहले 3 एलिफेंट जो थे वो पतंगला बीच से भाग गए. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Galle said his 2 dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. They are usually excited to go on this outing, he said, but on that day they refused to go and most probably saved his life. So when the earthquake and tsunami occurred, एक श्रीलंकन जेंटलमैन भी कहते कि उसके डॉग ने भी रेफ्यूज कर दिया आउटिंग के लिए और बाहर जाने की. जनरली वो क्या होते एक्साइटेड होती है, जनरली दे आर एक्साइटेड टू गो आउटसाइड, बट दैट डे द डॉग्स रेफ्यूज्ड. इन दिस वे डॉग सेव्ड his life and his owner's life. Student comprehension check 2 on page number 28. This comprehension check contains 6 question and answer which I explained to you, जो मैंने explain किए थे. Now comprehension check 3 on page number 30. इसके भी question and answer I am sending you. Okay, and whatever you are see in the image, question number 3, here this is question number 4 and this one question number 5 and this question number 6 you have to write in your homework book. Thank you and have a nice day.